offering a very generous and very beautiful furniture package that's available at additional cost. This is not low-end furniture. This beautiful dining room table and chairs, coupled with the decor all the way around the house with some very nice pop and sizzle on the wall and other locations, will make it very easy for you to move right in. One of the great things about this house is when it was built, the builder used these windows to maximize the views in all different parts of the house. There's 4 patios on each corner of the house, which gives a nice relaxing setting in various locations and various views. So many homes are built with either 2x4 exterior construction or 2x6. We have a better advantage here. You've got 12-inch exterior walls at this house made of concrete. You also have 19 solar panels above here on the roof. Also, you have a secondary heating system in the house as well. What does that mean to you? Much lower utility bills than what you'd expect. Great cost savings and a very high efficient home.